Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you this telescope stool and have like about 6 different colors. So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you what I have here. So that's why everything comes in the box, and this come with it, the manual to show you what to do here. To open this up, that's all what you have to do. All right. Okay, so now I got a chair that I can sit down on it just fine. So there is a chair, looks like this. There's a chair. It's very durable, sturdy. I'm sit down on it now, and if you want to take it to travel or anything like that, it's very nice to have. So that's how you close it. You just do like here. So switch and go down like this. And what I like about it is that you can take it anywhere. Thanks so much for watching.